Today we are going to take a tour of IKEA for Home Organization 2021. You will get an idea how you can organize your home. The furnitures here are priced so reasonable. They have a great collection of tables and side tables, and it's priced very reasonable. It is below $20, some of them. This chaise looks very comfy. They have bathroom shelves to keep the towels and other accessories. It is with wheels so you can move anywhere. Lot of shelves to organize your home. These cubbies are very useful to store the clothes or toys in the bedrooms or kids' rooms. And it also comes with a bin or basket. And it's also very reasonable. It is below $3 each, a bin. Kitchen utensils, the brush to clean the pans, it's just 49 cents each. And the scissors, three scissors, just below $3. Colorful brushes too. These are fridge containers to organize the fridge. These can be used to organize the kitchen drawers. These containers really help us to organize the kitchen. Even if you have a small space or large space, the kitchen will look very organized and neat. These bins look so cool. We can use it in the refrigerator, or we can use it in the pantry to organize. It looks so beautiful, right? They have a good collection of kids' bedroom furnitures. We can get an idea how to organize the kids' bedroom and decorate it. The bunk beds are so cool. The kids really enjoy bunk beds. The colors are so vibrant. And kids love stuffed animals, so here there's varieties of animals here. They have collection of kids toys and kids finger puppets. My grandkids will love them. The kids' tables and chairs are so cute and the colors are so vibrant. The kids love play tents. A huge stuffed panda. That's my son's favorite panda. This is the glass oil container and spice bottles. They are very reasonable. You get four for $2.75. And dollar store you get $1 each. So I found this very reasonable here and it's very cute too. They have good collection of kitchen knives. These are dish drying mats. They even have stainless steel measuring cups. They have all sizes and shapes of glass baking pan. I love these aprons. They are so cool. They have varieties of cups, coffee cups and mugs and glasses, dinner plates and bowls and dinnerware. They even have wooden bowls and spoons and wicker baskets. They all look so cute and beautiful. We can use these to keep bread or fruits. These white bowls are so beautiful. I love them. These bottles can be used for water or oil, and in one set there is 3 bottles. Different colors of storage containers. These are very useful to organize the kitchen shelves or pantry. Beautiful artificial flowers to decorate your home. More storage containers and planting pots. So different sizes and shapes of mesh baskets. Hi friends, I hope you enjoyed the IKEA tour and you would have got some ideas how to organize your bedroom, your living room, your kids' room, your kitchen, and all the space in your house. So thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. And please subscribe to Shanti's 4G Samil. Now we are going to exit and we are going to check out. So see you soon. Bye bye for now.